Hello everyone, welcome back to Train, where we make AI simple for you. My name is Ishan and I'll be your instructor for today. Want to grow your business in the next 24 hours? I've got 10 powerful prompts you can plug directly into ChatGPT to bring in more leads, drive more traffic, and make more sales fast. The best part, you don't need a team or a big budget. Just you, your laptop, and a little AI magic. So let's dive in. First, we're starting with marketing, the engine that drives awareness and engagement. So let's start with prompt number 1. Type this into ChatGPT. Create a viral social media post for my business that highlights its unique value proposition and encourages engagement. Then, post it onto Instagram, LinkedIn, X, or wherever your audience hangs out. Let's go to prompt number 2. Here's how you turn leads into paying customers. Write a persuasive email sequence to turn leads into paying customers within 24 hours. And just send that out to your list today. Now on to prompt number 3. If you need content that pulls in clicks, ask, generate a list of 10 attention-grabbing blog or video titles related to my industry that would drive traffic quickly. And pick one and turn it into a YouTube short, TikTok, or LinkedIn post. On to prompt number 4. Need a quick video ad? Use this prompt. Create a short promotional video script that showcases my product or service in an engaging way. And then from there you can record and publish it. It doesn't have to be perfect, just clear and confident. Now for prompt number 5. Are you running an ad today? Ask ChatGPT this prompt. Write compelling ad copy for Facebook or Google ads that will convert clicks into sales fast. So from there you can plug it into your ad platform and go. So let's move on from content to conversions. Here's how you land customers today. On to prompt number 6. Want to reach new clients right now? Ask ChatGPT, give me a cold DM or email script to reach out to 50 potential customers today. You might have to personalize it a bit and then send it out. Prompt number 7. Your site might be leaking sales, but try this today. Analyze my website or sales page and suggest immediate improvements to increase conversions. So just make the tweaks and measure the results. Now for prompt number 8. Ask ChatGPT provide a list of high traffic online communities where I can promote my business today. That might be Reddit, Facebook groups, or niche forums, so just go to where your people are hanging out. Now, let's streamline everything so your growth becomes repeatable. And that leads us to prompt number 9. Type this into ChatGPT. List 5 AI tools I can integrate into my business today to save time and increase efficiency. And find the ones that automate what's slowing you down. And lastly, prompt number 10. If you need quick revenue, use this prompt. Give me a step-by-step plan to launch a limited time offer or flash sale in the next 24 hours. And from there, you can announce it across your channels and drive urgency. So those are 10 powerful ChatGPT prompts you can use today to move the needle on your business. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more AI and business growth tips, and drop a comment below with the prompt you're going to try first. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.